How to increase the quality of a video in Capcut PC. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can increase the quality of a video in Capcut PC. So let's dive in. So first open up your Capcut app and then you have to open up a video over here. Just add a video, and then once the video opens, now what you have to do is you have to go to this video and select it. And once you select this track, the video track over here, I'm going to show you what to do next. So now once you select this track or the clip on your video, just scroll through over here on this tab, click this arrow over here, and here you'll find this adjust option. Click adjust, and once you do so, it's going to open up this menu for you. Now you have to scroll through in this menu and until you find this option that says effects. Under the effects menu, you'll see this sharpen, clarity, particles option, and here you have to just increase the value of sharpen. You can either enter it over here like add 50, or you can just change it by dragging this option over here like this knob. Just make sure you bring the clarity to 50 as well, or you can just adjust it according to your video. And then you have to also choose this particles and just enter the number 25 over here. Just enter 25, and then you have to click apply to all if you want to apply it to all the clips. And once you do so, it's going to increase the quality of your video in your Capcut PC. And then you can just click export on the top right corner and make sure the resolution is set to 4K over here, so you have an exported video that has an increased quality. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.